Why are you so sad, Flower? I really want you to be happy. That music sounds pretty sad. I know. Anna!
Hey, Ray Ray.
My flower's sad. I think it needs some happy music.
I've got just the thing. Be right down.
Yes! Don't worry, Flower. Happiness is on the way.
Ready, Ray?
I'm ready. Ready, Flower? I'm sure it's ready too. All right. Yay! Oh, man.
Sorry, little Ray. I think this is just who your flower is.
But I want it to be happy.
Maybe just let it be what it wants to be.
Oh, I know. For real this time. Tea parties are pretty much the best thing ever. No way you'll stay sad now. How will a tea party not cheer you up?
Tea time's over for tonight, Ray. Still nothing, huh, bub?
No. My tea party didn't make it happy.
Well, your tea parties make me happy. Brush your teeth and get into bed, Ray.
Just want to put nightlight on for the flower, so it doesn't get lonely. My flower! Ma! My flower!
Oh, Ray, this new flower of yours is a night bloomer.
A night bloomer?
Yeah, some flowers only bloom at night. Looks like this is one of them.
Does that mean it's happy?
I think it does.
Sunshine Ray, what do you say? Sunshine Ray says it's a wonderful day.